Hello, my name is Jim Wang, and I am the sales manager here at AData. In the next few minutes, I'll be unveiling some of the latest and greatest products, including our newest memory card, solid-state drives, and DRAM module. Today, we're presenting them around the theme of innovating creativity. In an era of social media, video streaming, and 5G, high-quality content has become the backbone of our world. And therefore, AData is ready to meet the needs of creators with a slew of new products. Among them is our next-generation SDXC Express card. While this memory card might look like any ordinary SD card from the outside, it is quite revolutionary on the inside. Now, what makes this memory card so extraordinary is its support for PCIe and NVMe, thanks to the latest SD 7.0 specification. If you've ever transferred files from an SD card to PC, you know how frustratingly slow it can be. PCIe and NVMe support enables this memory card to deliver speeds up to 8 times faster than B30 memory cards. This new level of performance makes this memory card comparable to many external SSDs, but more portable and compatible with SD card-enabled devices. However, the AData SDXC Express card isn't the only device pushing the limits of performance. So next up, I'd like to introduce our new USB 4 external SSD, the AData SE920, the world's fastest portable storage device. With USB 4 generation 2x2, the SE920 is able to deliver blazing speed that are up to 4 times faster than its USB 3.2 predecessors. This equates to a speed of roughly 4,000 megabytes per second. For maximum stability in any environment, it is equipped with AData's proprietary heat conduction technology to keep things cool and optimal. Now, I'd like to bring your attention to a brand new series of solid-state drives developed with creators in mind. We call it the Legend series. Whether a graphics professional, animator, photographer, or artist, nothing should come in the way of creativity, and that includes PC performance. Capable of reaching read speed of up to 7,400 megabytes per second, the Legend SSD is up to 2 times faster than Generation 3 SSDs. This performance boost will allow files and tools to load faster for seamless multitasking and enhanced productivity. With an AData Legend SSD, creators will be able to focus on what really matters, making the best content they can. Last but not least, allow me to introduce our next generation DDR5 memory modules. With up to 163% faster data rates over DDR4, users can get more done and enjoy more fluid entertainment experiences. While DDR4 clocks in at a maximum of 3,200 mega transfer per second, DDR5 accelerates to an overwhelming 8,400 mega transfer per second. What's more, AData DDR5 modules will have up to 2 times more capacity and be more energy efficient. For enhanced data integrity and reliability, AData DDR5 modules feature error-correcting code technology to detect and correct data corruption. Stay tuned for more news about our next generation DDR5 memory modules in the coming months.